Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Hello everyone. Here are my new Clejuso Model 12 handcuffs. Made in Germany and standard police issue. They utilize a tool-free double lock that is actioned by just pressing the lever. They use a keyway that allows for standard or universal handcuff keys to operate them. The mechanism is actually visible, which makes picking these easier to understand. It can be done with a nice straight bobby pin. Reach in, lean over, and twist on the pawl. The cuffs themselves are made from a lightweight alloy and have incredible tolerances. The anti-shim deliberately traps the shim. This means shimming them is out, best get on with the picking. I'm going to use my jackknife and the witch's finger tool. This will allow me to push the double lock back in position through the keyway, and also the same tool can easily pick these cuffs. A simple but effective design. It's a shame the amazing anti-shim was not backed up with a multiple pawl locking mechanism. Stay safe everyone, and I will see you in the next video.